Hi, in this video we're going to be exploring the concept of operator precedence. Alright, what is operator precedence? It is about who or which operator is evaluated first when you have multiple operators packed together in a single line. Alright, so let me give you an example. So if I were to look at this simple code here where I have a variable x, okay, assign a value of 4, alright, and now I'm going to just run the code. Alright, so when I run the code, okay, we see that the result is 4 because the value of x has been assigned a value of 4. Alright, now if I have a simple operation here, for example x plus 6, alright, so we know that 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Alright, so no surprises there. But what if I put another operation here, 6, and I put a divide by 2? Okay, so now is where we need to be very careful about operator precedence. Alright, because if we think that this will evaluate to x plus 6, which is 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2, then we are mistaken. Alright, because in operator precedence, the divide has higher precedence than the add operation. Okay, so what will happen here is I would perform the division first, 6 divided by 2, which will be 3, and then I'll add it with 4 to give me an answer of 7. Alright, so let me show you. So the result is 7. Okay, because this division operation has greater precedence, alright, has more importance in the order or the hierarchy. Okay, so of course this can cause confusion, alright, and what I always tell any programmer is to avoid any form of confusion, alright, always put brackets to enforce the order. Alright, so if I were to put brackets here, for example, then I am enforcing the order of operation, because brackets will have more importance than any other operation. So I will ensure that whatever is done in brackets, whatever is expression is within the brackets will be done first, followed by the rest of the operations in the statement. So in this case, x plus 6 will be evaluated first, followed by the other things. Alright, or if you have other brackets, then those other brackets will also be all evaluated first, okay, followed by the other operations in the statement. Okay, so with this bracket over here, I am enforcing the addition to be done first, then followed by the division. Alright, so in this case, if I enforce the addition, so 4 plus 6 will be 10, then 10 divided by 2 will give me 5. Alright, so again, there are many online resources where you can go and check for the precedence table. Alright, so you know the order, but to avoid any confusion in the code, okay, just put brackets, alright, to enforce the order, and then you'll be very sure of how the execution is being done. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.